Hello again, our spectators, audience, pupils. Our next problem is again from SAT book preparation. The problem is a salesperson receive a salary of $100 a week and a commission of 5% on all sales. What must the what must be the amount of sales for a week in which the salesperson's total weekly income is $360. The variants are given. I hope that I introduced the problem and you understood about it. And here is a solution of this exercise, of this problem. And we know that $316 $60 the salesperson must earn, and $100 is a salesperson receives
his salary.
his salary for a week.
Yes.
And we subtract 360 from $100 from 360, and the answer $260.
What is it?
It is 5%.
Yes.
It is 5%.
It is the sum of 5%
commission.
Yes.
Yes, and it is so the continuing is so easy. We solved it with the proportion rule
Yes.
to solve to continue it. And
If 5% is $260,
yes,
we must find 100% or the whole sum of sales.
Yes,
Okay.
of
We
course.
must find. Yes.
And the answer became $5,200.
Yes,
The correct
great.
answer is B. The correct answer is B. And I hope that you understood about it. Don't forget to put likes for our video, to share it for your friends, teachers, and we will continue to send you next interesting videos. Bye.